How to hide WhatsApp online status. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can hide your WhatsApp online status. But before I do, please don't forget to like the video and also subscribe to my channel. Okay, straight into it. So first, open up WhatsApp on your phone. Next, tap on the three vertical dots in the top right hand corner and then tap on Settings. In Settings, tap on Accounts, then select Privacy on the next page. To stop people from knowing when you're online or when you were last online, tap on Last Seen. And once here, change it to Nobody. If you would like to turn off blue ticks so that no one can see when you've read their messages, go back, then where it says Read Receipts, toggle that to the left. You want the toggle to be grey, not green, to be off. And that's all it takes to hide WhatsApp online status. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments if this worked for you. Thanks for watching.